Hi guys, it's Robin from the Canada Bird School. We are here on day 13 of our bird advent calendar. So if you haven't yet joined, follow along. You can download your own copy on canadabirdschool.com. We would love to have you join us because today, on day 13, we have a special visitor with Max the Moluccan. Here is Max to explain what we're doing today.
Some corn, peas and carrots, some grapes, some broccoli. Yeah, some broccoli, that's always good. Some red and yellow pepper, bit of apple, couple of pieces of apple, something really special for the season, a handful of cranberries. You're not helping, buddy. A bit more corn? All right, you get that. I got one for you too, buddy. Here you go, Tico. Is that good? You gotta eat your greens though. This is rice and quinoa pasta. So tasty. Isn't that a yummy chop? Just look at Tico. He's really getting into it. He's not being nearly as picky as Max was. You really like those cranberries today, don't you? Yummy.
Thanks for inviting me, Robin. Today's advent calendar was delicious. I can't wait to see what goodies are in store for tomorrow.